My dear students, very welcome to this video on the language of mathematics. As you know, mathematics is one of the most important branches of knowledge, and mathematics is used in almost all natural sciences, physical sciences, as well as social sciences. Some of the branches of knowledge use a huge use of mathematics, and these include, for example, mathematics, chemistry, biology, and within social sciences, economics also makes huge use of mathematics as well as mathematical language. So this video is about the language of mathematics. So my dear students, kindly watch this video up to the end so that you could understand the utilization of mathematics and mathematical language in various sciences. So let me start with the introduction. Uh, we as human beings use language to express ourselves and to communicate with others. Language is usually spoken, signed, or written in symbols. We can also think of language as the internet connecting people in the world, and it is an indispensable thing. Without language, we won't be able to express ourselves and to communicate with others. Mathematics is also not a different matter in this connection, and it has its own language. And the language of mathematics makes it easy to express its thoughts. Mathematics is part of our daily life. We use mathematics in day-to-day life in various places in various ways. For example, we use mathematics in the grocery stores, we use mathematics in our workplace, we use mathematics in our schools, we use mathematics even at home and everywhere else. In fact, for example, we use the decimal digit right after we wake up to determine the time. And even the number of years of our existence is an example of mathematical language. For example, the age of the universe, when the universe was created, and physicists and astronomers says that the universe was created some 13.4 billion years ago. So we use mathematical language even in this case. So far as the idea of mathematical language is concerned, it is a system which is used to express, communicate, and convey mathematical information. So, mathematical language is a way to express, communicate, and convey mathematical information. It is distinct and unique from other such languages that we are used to and is used to communicate abstract and logical ideas. In mathematics, the ideas are logical and they may be abstract sometimes. Mathematical language is also characterized by abstraction symbols, rules, nonlinearity, and complexity of language arrangement, coding, and decoding information. Mathematical language has some important characteristics, and these characteristics include, for example, preciseness, conciseness, and powerfulness. So it means that the language of mathematics is precise, and mathematical language as being precise means nothing but it means that this language is accurate or exact, and that is why uh, this is one of the reasons why maths is considered as an exact science. The second characteristic of the language of mathematics is that the language of mathematics is concise. And what does it mean? It means that mathematical language is able to say or write things briefly. For example, instead of writing the sum of 2 and a variable x, where x can take any value, we can simply write the expression x plus 2 or 2 plus x. The third characteristic of the mathematical language is that mathematical language is a powerful tool because it can express thoughts with relative ease. Uh, we now will discuss mathematical symbols. A mathematical symbol is used to refer certain quantities, concepts, ideas, and so on. Some of the most commonly used symbols in mathematics are the 10 digits that we use in daily life, starting from 0, 1 up to 9. Then we have basic operations, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then we have set notations like intersection, union, subset, superset. Then we have variable symbols A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and so on. Then there are then there are some special symbols: equality, inequality, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, pi, and so on. Then we have logic symbols: logical and logical or, it implies, and if and only if. And then we have set notations, for example, n, w, z, q, r. These are natural numbers, whole numbers, complete numbers, and we have rational numbers, irrational numbers, and then we have real numbers. The combination of variables, operations, notations, and symbols form a mathematical expression or mathematical sentence. But there is difference between a mathematical expression or a mathematical sentence. So the question is, what is the difference between the two? So I'll explain this in the coming slide. So let us start with the mathematical expression. A mathematical expression is a mathematical analog of an English noun. It does not state a complete thought. The most common expressions are numbers, variables, sets, and functions, and so on. Some of the examples of mathematical symbols include: number 1, 5. This is a number, so this does not state a complete thought. Then we have 8x. This is another mathematical expression which is not stating a complete thought. We have y minus 3. This is also an incomplete thought. We will now discuss mathematical sentence, which is different from mathematical expression or mathematical statement. A mathematical sentence is a mathematical analog of an English sentence which states a complete thought. For example, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, 8x is equal to 16, x minus 3 is greater than 2. It always uses symbols such as equality and inequality symbols, and these sentences have verbs. In mathematical sentence of 1 plus 6 equals 7, the verb is the equal sign. A mathematical sentence can be always true, always false, or sometimes true and sometimes false. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you could get regular notifications about my other videos that I'll upload for you. Kindly subscribe this channel and share its